Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the Ricky's Cult Crushes box, and I got mine in a few days ago, but I haven't had a chance to get to filming it, so we're going to get into it today. There was a wait list on this box, and they finally sent out an email saying, you know, it's opened up. If you want to, you know, get on the box, subscribe now. So I jumped on it because I'd seen videos of the previous months and they looked really good, but we all know every box cannot be, you know, spectacular. So I can understand where they were coming from with this box. I've already seen unboxings on this month's box. If you know you wear makeup, you're going to get stuff on your clothes, you've got to take your makeup off. I can understand the theme behind this box, so I'm not upset with it. I know a lot of people are upset they didn't get like a lot of makeup items or whatever, but so I'm not upset that this was my first box. I know they did just go up on their prices as well. They went from $11 to $14, so hopefully next month's box will be better. Alright, I've got the card in my hand, and the first thing listed on the card was the Bioderma, which they did not get in time. I'd received an email that said, you know, they had issues getting their shipment in for the boxes, so they replaced it with another item, and it looks like the item they give me was an eyeliner. And from looking on the package, the little plastic wrap, there's no name, there's no brand for this. I could make out, because it is so teeny tiny, guys, that the shade is called Black Amethyst, but that is all I can really make out unless I get out a magnifying glass. I can't, it's so tiny I can't make it out, but I have so many eyeliners, and I already have a purpley eyeliner, which I think this sounds like a black purple. I'm going to put this in my giveaway basket, which is sitting right here, and we'll talk about that in a minute. And next up on the list is Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. This handy bar is your wardrobe's new best friend. It is designed to clean those hard-to-reach stains that all beauty lovers experience, from your ring around the collar to straps, sleeves, and any other unwarranted place your makeup gets. So it's a little bar. It's got the little pink stuff stuck in it. And it is highly scented. And guys, I make soap, and I cannot get my soaps this highly scented. I don't know what they've put in there. And it is a vegetable soap. And it's just vegetable soap, borax, essential oils, and fragrance. So this is not meant for cleaning makeup brushes. I think a lot of people at first thought it was made for makeup brushes. It is for getting like makeup stains out of your clothes. It says for best results, for a complete wash, lather with water and wash the entire item. For stains, lather with water and work soap into stained area. Wipe away excess soap and launder as normal. So yeah, it is for your clothes. It's not for your brushes or your face. They don't put any prices on here, so you don't really know what the value of your box is. So that's kind of disappointing. Let us know what the retail of these items are, Ricky. Pure Pawpaw multi-purpose ointments. I got the blue tube. I think there were different flavors of this going around, and my flavor is passion fruit. And it says, carry this product with you whenever you go to soothe dry lips and skin in no time. Crafted from farm-sourced fruits, this formula is the perfect solution to heal and hydrate all season long. All right, I'm going to tell you one of my nervous habits. I used to bite my nails, and I keep them really short now for work, and I just cut them down. Since I used to bite my nails, I don't bite my nails anymore. I will pick or bite at my cuticles, which is just as bad. I mean, seriously, it is just as bad, and I will have weeks where I don't mess with them at all, but when I get kind of nervous or stressed or something's going on, or even boredom, I will sit and like mess up my cuticles. And I will take ointments, and I think, is this sealed? Yes, this is sealed. So I like this kind of an ointment that's kind of thicker, if this is what I'm thinking it is, to put on my cuticles to help them heal, to help keep them, you know, moisturized. And let's just squeeze a little out. So it is like a Vaseline base. I believe someone did say it is Vaseline based. But I will take this and go around my cuticles. I make homemade ointment. There's a homemade ointment I use on my lips. It's pretty much like the same thing as this, except it's in a tin and it is solid. that I use on my lips, on my cuticles, cuts, bruises, everything. I use it on that, and it's really good, and I make it myself. But has a really funky smell. I don't know if I would like that on my lips or not. I will let you know. I'm not going to put that on my lips right now because I have the Fenty Glow lip gloss on, and I'm not messing that up. All right, next on the list is the J-Cat liquid highlighter. All right, so I'm assuming, yeah, liquid highlighter. Let's get you unattached here. Turn heads in the sunshine with this dewy multi-dimensional highlighter. Mix it with your favorite primer, foundation, or moisturizer for a luminous finish that takes your look to the next level. I love the packaging. That's super cute. And my shade is, does it tell me my shade? White Goddess. So I did apparently get a paler shade. I know they said there were some different shades that were in the boxes. Let's take this out and look at it, because I haven't really looked at anything in here. Take a little thing off the cap. Oh yeah, it's a pearly color. Let's try this on the back of the hand. And it's a little bead, and it is a dropper. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little of that on the back of my hand. And there she is. Oh wow, yeah. Super pretty. Now, if you shear it out a lot, it just gives you, I mean, if you really shear it out, it just gives you a little bit of sheen. But I'm sure you could probably build that up. All right, next is the BH Cosmetics. You know I love my BH Cosmetic brushes. This is the Sculpt and Blend mini brush sets, and it is sealed as well. And I don't want to open this because I am going to put this in the giveaway basket. This is a 3-piece brush set, a petite portable Sculpt and Blend mini brush set. Pops perfectly into the smallest bag for convenient contouring and highlighting on the go. Cruelty-free synthetic duo fiber bristles. Apply liquids, creams, or powders. They're firm yet flexible for a foolproof placement and blending. So yes, I'm not going to open that. There's videos all, you know, unboxing where people have showed the brushes, but it's 3 little brushes, and it looks like a pointed one and an angled one, and maybe, I don't know, it's hard to kind of see with the, maybe a rounder one, but yeah, I'm going to put those into the giveaway basket. And I keep all this frou-frou that's in here. I'm going to take the little bar soap out because I may use that on clothes. But that is it for that box. They did already take the payment out for next month's box, so I'm really excited to see what's going to be in that box, because this one was not bad. I mean, it wasn't fantastic, but it wasn't bad. I can totally see where they were coming from with, you know, this theme, and I do appreciate that. I mean, shoot, yeah, I'll take some Bioderma when they send it to me. And I'll be more than happy to share those brushes with somebody, because I have a full set of BH Cosmetic brushes. And the highlighter I really do like. I do. I'm going to drop a little bit more on the back and see if we can build it up. See if you don't shear it out so much. And I do have a wet sponge right here that I just did my makeup with. And I'm just going to take the clean side. Tap it out a little bit. But yes, definitely buildable, or you can shear it out. So very pretty. I'm not going to put it, I've got the Fenty highlighter in Kilowatt Glow, the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. I have the Sunset shade just very lightly on. If you want to see how I got this look, glitter and all, check out my last video. I'll have that. Actually, I'm going to upload this video first. So check out the next video for this look. I'm going to swap them around. Yeah, I'm filming a few videos in a row today, and I never know exactly how I'm going to upload them, but I think I will upload this one first and this look next. And guys, yes, I did chop off my hair. I'm loving it. It's bouncy. And it's not on my neck. I don't have to keep it up in a ponytail. I love it. So she's done a really good job. I can't wait till this finishes growing off. I really can't. I will never color my hair again. Shannon, you will never color your hair again. All right, guys, that is it. Oh, yeah, one more thing. I told you we would get into this later. This is the giveaway basket. Now, not everything in this basket is going to be given away at one go. This is just where I accumulate things that I'm not going to use, or, you know, have been given to me free and I'm not going to be used. And I rifle through this basket to find things for the giveaway. So the giveaway will be when I hit 500. It will be international. There's like the brush sets. There is lippies in here. There's highlighters. There's a manicure set. There's several big eyeshadow palettes. The Laura Lee Nudie Patootie is in here. The chocolate gold palette is in here. The chocolate gold is an automatic given. This will go in the 500 giveaway. I'm not sure about the other palettes yet, because I may do some pop-up giveaways. Who knows? You know what? Let's do one right now. Let's do a pop-up giveaway. If you have watched to the very end of this video, we're going to do a pop-up giveaway. It's only going to be for United States only on this one. I'm sorry. But I will give you, let's run image 3 here right now. BH Cosmetic brush set. The Makeup Revolution Affirmation eyeshadow palette. There is all the colors on the back. This eyeshadow palette. A little Tarte makeup bag. Let's see what else we can rummage around in here and get. A large blurring brush from e.l.f. to go with your other brushes, because I always give brushes away. This is a Sweet and Shimmer matte lip crayon. I don't like melting these in the hot months because they melt, so I don't know. Let me see what else I got down in here. This is a Pop Beauty bronzer. We'll put that one in there. This is an e.l.f. eyebrow lifter and filler pencil. We'll put that in there. This is a AOA Studio Wonder Baked highlighter, and this is in Cream Puff. I do love these. I have a video using those, and I have a haul on those as well. What else, guys? This is it's an AOA Studio as well. This is the Diamond Lip Gloss in Bubblegum. These are absolutely gorgeous. We'll throw that in there, kind of keep them with that purple theme. And let's find one more thing. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naked, and it is the Anastasia. So, if you have watched to the end of this video, there will be a pop-up. Something fell down. I don't know what it was. I'll have to find it. So, there will be a Gleam link down in the description box. You have to go and do the Gleam link, because that will pick a random winner, and I will let this go till the end of the month. So the last day of the month, if it's the 30th or 31st, I don't have a calendar in front of me, I will pick a winner, and you will win everything I just took out of the giveaway box. Yeah, I'm trying to look to see if there's anything else I wanted to kind of like toss in at the last minutes, but I think that's pretty good right there. So that's a good little handful, guys. You're getting all of that. So check out the Gleam link that'll be down below, and be sure you hit that subscribe button and you do the Gleam link, and you're entered into the video, and the winner will be drawn on the last day of the month. Must be 18 years or older, or have your parents' permission, must live in the continental United States. And if you subscribe just for the contest and unsubscribe, you will be exempt from any other future contest. Gleam does keep up with that. That's why I like using that. One of the reasons I like using that. Any international entries will be deleted out, because like I said, this is for United States only at this time. When we hit 500, that one will be international. So, you know, help me get to 500, and then that giveaway will be international. All the goodies will come out of that basket again. There's a Nudie Patootie palette and a Chocolate Gold Bar palette and a bunch of other good stuff. So yeah, there's the rules. United States, be subscribed, don't unsubscribe, and use the Gleam link down below for your entry. And if there are international entries, they will be deleted out because I just can't afford to ship international, you know, all the time. So this one will be United States. All right, guys, that is it. Thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end, enter that giveaway. I will see you guys on the next one.